Have you ever wondered if there's one single food that pretty much has it all? A complete nutritional package that's available to almost everyone? Well, today we're cracking that very topic wide open.
So let me ask you something. Can you think of one food that's super cheap, you can find it just about anywhere, and it's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to nutrition? A real superfood that won't cost you a fortune. Got anything in mind?
You got it. It's the humble egg. And yeah, that's the hero of our story today. And for some really good reasons. This simple little food is honestly one of the most complete sources of nutrition you can find anywhere on the planet.
Okay, so let's get a clear definition here. An egg is basically like nature's multivitamin. It's a powerhouse that's loaded with high-quality protein, the building blocks of our bodies, plus a whole bunch of essential vitamins and minerals. So what is it that makes the egg so incredibly special? Let's break down all the health benefits one by one. And I'm telling you, some of these might actually surprise you. First on the list, building strong muscles. Eggs are just an incredible source of top-notch protein. They have all 9 essential amino acids. Now, this isn't just for bodybuilders. It's crucial for all of us because it helps our bodies repair tissue and build strong, healthy muscles for just everyday life.
All right, now let's talk about your brain. Eggs have this amazing nutrient in them called choline. Choline is super important because our body uses it to make a chemical that helps with memory, our mood, and even muscle control. So yeah, eating an egg could literally help you stay sharper.
And it doesn't stop there. Turns out, eggs are also looking out for your eyesight. They contain 2 really powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These things actually build up in your retina and kind of act like a natural sunblock for your eyes, protecting them from damage caused by harmful light.
But what about the heart? For years, eggs got a really bad rap because of cholesterol. But the newer science shows that when you eat them in moderation, they can actually be good for your heart. They help raise your HDL, which is the good cholesterol that helps keep your arteries clear.
Ever feel that afternoon slump, when you just hit a wall? Well, an egg might just be the answer. That combination of protein and healthy fats gives you a really steady, sustained release of energy. And it also helps you feel full and satisfied for a lot longer, which keeps you from reaching for those unhealthy snacks.
And let's not forget about just how packed with nutrients they are. We're talking vitamin B12 for energy, vitamin A for vision, vitamin D for bone health, plus really important minerals like iron and selenium. It's a genuine nutritional powerhouse, all packed into one tiny shell.
Okay, so I think we can all agree eggs are pretty fantastic. But how do we actually get them into our diet smartly and safely? Here are just a few simple tips to follow.
So what's the magic number? Well, for most healthy adults, the recommendation is about 1 to 2 eggs per day. This lets you get all those amazing benefits without going overboard.
Here are 3 really simple rules to live by. First, stick to that 1 to 2 a day recommendation. Second, and this is important, always cook your eggs thoroughly to avoid any health risks. And third, always try to use fresh, clean eggs. Quality really matters, for both safety and for nutrition.
So after looking at all the benefits and the best ways to eat them, what's the one key message we should all take away from this?
It really just boils down to this one powerful summary. Fresh eggs are a cheap, easy, and extremely healthy food for all ages. It doesn't matter if you're a child or elderly, pretty much everyone can benefit from this incredible and affordable source of nutrition.
And that really just leaves us with one last thought. We've seen the science, we've seen the benefits, and we've seen how simple it is. So the real question is this nutritious, affordable little miracle already in your kitchen? Something to think about.